Then we can move to our next chapter, data types, concept of data types. Here we studied, first we studied tokens. Token is the functional or fundamental unit of a computer program. Token is divided into different types: the literal, separator, identifier, assignment, operator, punctuators, and keywords. There are different tokens are there. And the next portion, these tokens, we can discuss about the tokens. First one is literal. Literal is also known as constant. That is a fixed value that cannot be changed. Literal or constant is the fixed value that cannot be changed. And then literal are divided into 6 types: integer, real, character, string, boolean, null. Integer, we can use that integer literal for giving integer value. Float means that giving float point, fractional type values. And character, we can give only one letter or one character, not only one letter, that's one character. See, and string means group of characters we can give. Then boolean, boolean means that's true or false. Then null, null means that null value, there is no value there in the null literal. Next, identifiers or variables. Variables are the named memory location which contains a value. Variables are the named memory location which contains a value. Variables are divided into two: numeric variable and non-numeric variable. Numeric variable, numbers representing numbers, and non-numeric variables representing characters. And then numeric variable is also divided into two: integer, float. And non-numeric variable also divided into two: character and string. Then another one important question: how to declare a variable and how to initialize a value in a variable. These two questions are very important: how to declare a variable and how to initialize a value to a variable, or assigning a value to a variable. See, declaration of variable means int a, normal int a, and assigning a value to a variable means int m is equal to 5. Likewise, okay. See, that semicolon and spellings are important from here. See, int I is small, not that point, I is small, and then after that semicolon is needed. Next, assignment. That assignment means storing a constant into a variable. Equal to sign is the assignment operator. That assignment operator is equal to sign. There are another question is there: what is the difference between equal to and double equal to sign? Equal to sign means that's assignment operator, and double equals means it check that two numbers are equal or not. Next one is initializing a variable. Initializing means two types of initialization are there: static initialization and dynamic initialization. Static initialization and dynamic initialization. Static means it is the direct assignment initialization, and then dynamic means it is the outcome of any arithmetic operation. Next, punctuators. That question mark, dot and semicolon are known as punctuators. And separators. Separators are the special characters like comma, bracket, curly bracket, and square bracket, etc. Then operators. Operators are symbols. Arithmetic, logical, and relational operators are there. That we'll discuss in the next chapter. Then keywords. Keywords are the reserved words. That keywords having special meaning. That some words having special meaning, that words is known as keywords. From this chapter, another main important topic is ASCII conversion. That problems you want to study, that ASCII conversion, you know, capital A to Z 65 to 90 and small letter A to Z 97 to 122 and 0 to 9 numbers are 48 to 57. That you want to study that problems. Next one, arithmetic expression and statement. Expression is the variables, constant and arithmetic operators. Expression contains variables, constant and operators, and statement is expression assigned to a variable, that is known as a statement. Arithmetic expressions are divided into two: pure expression and a mixed expression. In pure expression, the same data types, all are the same data types, and in mixed expression different data types are used. Then type conversion. Type conversion is only in the mixed expression. There are two types of type conversion is there: implicit and explicit implicit also known as coercion and explicit also known as typecasting. Implicit means automatically converting the highermost data type, and explicit means user forces to convert any one data type. Then escape sequences. Only up to this in this chapter you can study that data types, and then character ASCII conversion is very important, and then you can study typecasting, coercion, and some escape sequences. Then declaration and initialization of variable. These all are very important topics. Study from the textbook and notebook.